Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Upang mas maging makahulugan ang salamat paalam program ni Ma'am Linya, minarapat ng Senior High School Department ang magpabaon ng mga mensahe at maghandog ng isang tula na tinatahak ni Binibining Analisa Humadas. Isa sa mga naging mag-aaral ni Ma'am Linya noon, na kasamahang guro na natin ngayon. Narito ang aming handog. Background music.
Hi, Ma'am. May you have a relaxing new chapter ahead, and may you have a little time enjoying your life. Happy retirement.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. One season of your life has ended, and you are now stepping into the best season yet. Strive to achieve and accomplish all your life goals and have plans to do it. Best wishes in your retirement, ma'am.
Ma'am, bid farewell to work and start embracing your new, cool life full of worries and tensions. Happy retirement, ma'am.
Hi, Ma'am Neb. Happy retirement. May you be proud of the work you have done, the person you are, and the difference you have made.
Retirement is when life gives you the greatest reward there can ever be. Peace of mind. Ma'am Nen, congratulations.
Hi ma'am, enjoy your freedom and unlimited weekends. Congratulations on your retirement.
Hi, Ma'am. Okay na po. Best wishes on your retirement. Enjoy your residence over you. Take pleasures in the finer things that are awaiting you. God bless, Ma'am.
Hi ma'am Lunia, good afternoon. For the dedication and hard work, you deserve the best retirement ever. Enjoy this new journey of your life. Cherish every moment and have fun.
Hi, Ma'am. Maupay Nicolò. Good afternoon. Wishing you and your family all the best in life as you enter into new phase of your life. May you enjoy the extra time that we will be spending with you. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am. Good afternoon. Your hard work has earned you the right to rest and relax for the rest of your life. Congratulations and happy retirement.
To you, Ma'am Nen, no more lesson plans and breaks, no more deadlines and no more meetings. All there's left to do now is to spread all the happiness that life has in store. Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am Nebs. As your career comes to an end, please know that your influence carries on. Countless lives have been impacted through the knowledge you have imparted. Hoping, ma'am, that your retirement is everything you ever dreamed it could be. God bless you and congratulations.
Hello, Ma'am Nen. As a chapter closes in your life and a new one starts, may your ears be filled with all the things you are looking forward to. I would like to quote a line from Abraham Lincoln that says, "In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years." Happy retirement, ma'am.
pagsubok ng buhay kung saan nandyan ang kambo, lungkot, galit, tawa, saya, at ligaya. Ang mga emosyong iyan ay normal natin nagagamit sa piling ng iyong itinuturing. Malayo ka na. Iiwan mo na sina LB, DTR, SF2, COT, Form 137 at 138. Magagawa mo na ang lahat ng iyong gusto. Hawak mo na ang iyong oras at panahon. Wala nang ibang taong magmay-ari sa iyo. Wala nang makikialam sa mga kilos at desisyon mo. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa ilaw na ibinigay mo. Isa ka sa mga instrumento na ibinigay ng mahal na Panginoon para maging motibasyon at inspirasyon sa mga tao.